When an appointment gets cancelled, the slot often stays empty. That means lost time and revenue. This workflow fixes that by filling the open slots automatically. Here's a live demo. First, a cancellation is detected in the appointments Google Sheet. So this person cancelled its appointment, which is on 13th August. So the workflow detected it and marked the waitlist processing as started to avoid double triggering. Then it fetched the candidates from this waitlisting sheets so that it can find the persons who are waiting for that exact same service type. Which are these two persons? You can see over here. These two persons are waiting. Then we process each candidate at a time. Mark the candidate as offered, then send the offer and wait for 20 minutes. So as we can see, we got the offer over here. So Hive Bank Green, a follow-up slot opened on this date and time. Within 20 minutes, if I confirm by clicking on this link, it will resume the workflow and mark the slot as booked in Google Sheets, create an event in Google Calendar, update the waitlist and send the booking confirmation, which I received over here. You have confirmed the follow-up on this date and time. See you then. If I was unable to book at the given time, which is 20 minutes, it will mark my status as expired and then fetch the second person with the exact same service type in the waitlist. If all the candidates are unable to confirm within the given time, it will mark the slot as unfilled and notify the owner. So this is the full workflow from cancellations to filled appointments. If you need this system for your business, just message me. I will show you exactly how I will tailor this for business. So thanks for watching.